And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Yeah, it's cloudy looking out there. And of course, we've got some of that residual smoke still in the air as well. 13 degrees right now is where we're at. Our high was 14. We achieved that at 2 p.m. and our low was a balmy 3 degrees. And we achieved that at midnight. Winds are still out of the west up top, still out of the southwest. That's the reason that we still have these very mild temperatures here. And it looks like the bulk of tomorrow we will be seeing a repeat of these mild temperatures. Could hit 16 degrees here in the Lethbridge area, but all over picking up that milder air mass. A little cooler when you start getting into the Calgary region and areas to the north. What we're watching still is this low pressure center, and you can see the trajectory of it. Yesterday it was a little bit more of an arch. Today it's just kind of a west to east flow, and that's because the area of high pressure that's giving us protection is already starting to lose ground and push south. And as that does so, the wind direction will change. It'll go to the north tomorrow. It's just the timeline, trying to figure out when that is going to absolutely change and start sinking southward. Right now it looks like for us here in Lethbridge and you folks in Medicine Hat and Pincher Creek even, it looks like it's going to be late in the day tomorrow, late tomorrow night that will start to affect us, and then we'll get the snow overnight and into Sunday. But all it takes is that system to speed up a little bit more, the area of high pressure to dissolve a little faster, and this could start making inroads even sooner. But the bulk of the precipitation right now is to the west of the Continental Divide, and then as we get into Saturday, we'll start to see that start to collapse. And it looks like right now, as I said, late in the day, that's when that's going to happen. But, you know, all bets are off if everything starts to speed up. 1 degree in St. John's right now. We have freezing drizzle warnings out for much of Atlantic Canada, in through the mouth of the St. Lawrence and parts of the Maritime as well, looking at heavy snow and that freezing drizzle combination. But then it's pretty much all clear, although there are some flurries being recorded in this area in southern Quebec and southern Ontario. -9 degrees in Winnipeg right now, -2 and -1 in Regina and Saskatoon, 5 degrees, and they had a fairly sunny day in Edmonton, 13 in Kelowna, 11 and raining. Heavy rainfall warning still out for the Sunshine Coast, Fraser Valley, and Vancouver Island. And then we've got 1 degree in Whitehorse and -4 degrees in Yellowknife, and they've got snow and blowing snow in those areas. East Kootenay, you're looking at cloudy skies tonight. Tomorrow, cloudy with some scattered showers expected late in the day. Not a whole lot of sunshine for you tomorrow. And then for the Crow's Nest Pass, mainly clear skies tonight, turning partly cloudy after midnight. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix until later in the day when the wind direction changes. Same scenario for Medicine Hat. Late in the day tomorrow, you're expecting that wind direction to shift to the north, and that will give you that influx of colder air and, of course, that precipitation on its way as well. Lethbridge, we're looking at fairly cloudy skies tonight, 7 for a low, 16 for a high tomorrow. Mainly cloudy throughout the day. Winds will be with us in the afternoon hours, and that's why we're putting that line of wind direction change. We're making that line in the sand kind of later in the day right now. But as I said, if all that speeds up and the area of high pressure collapses faster, that'll happen sooner. But Sunday, it says sunny. I'm not thinking we're getting sunshine on Sunday. We're getting a rain-snow combination. Some areas closer to the foothills expecting 20 centimeters by the time that event is over. And we cool down dramatically as we head into the work week. It looks like possibly by next weekend we'll start to see temperatures get back up into the positive numbers. And Alex Giles is on camera today, and he's saluting in the tradition we have here. Alex, not you, Alex, congratulations. Alex Jenner has been, now his neighbor said that he's been a fabulous neighbor 4 seasons a year for 40 years. So I think that deserves a basket. And that's our CTV Citizen Salute for this week. Drive carefully this weekend, everyone. We'll see you Monday.